Here we go, qualification match number 24. Over on the red side of the field, it's all three robots leaving that starting line. Over on the blue side of the field, it's another three robots leaving the starting line. 599, the Robodocs, they are rocking it up on this field. That's 2 in a row onto level 4. An excellent autonomous routine from those doctors. That Blue Alliance, courtesy of the Robodocs and their entire team's efforts, are going to be having a lead coming out of the autonomous period. Over on the red side of the field, 8060 starting to get moving. 2659 Robo Warriors trying to score on level 4 as 5805 assembly required is working on removing some algae from the reef. They're going to take their time to do it, make sure that that algae actually gets out. Looks like it's spinning in there as the Robo Warriors accidentally knock a piece of algae deeper into the reef. That might cause some problems later, but we'll see what they can do about it. Over on the blue side of the field, it looks like 3 scoring robots. Team Sprocket coming up for level 3, barely going to miss it as the Robodocs remove a piece of algae from the field. They're going to try to pick that one up as it's bouncing and rolling away from them, and they've got it. Here they come up to the barge. 5999 Robodocs going up to the barge. They've got it. That's 4 points for the Blue Alliance. Jetstream looks like they're having a little bit of some interesting things going on with their drive. They're going to try to figure that out before this match gets too much further, but it's still a pretty healthy lead for the Blue Alliance. Over on the red side of the field, though, they have something to say about this. 5805 assembly required, scoring into the processor. That's going to be 6 points if that piece of algae stays inside, and it does. That's going to give the opposing human player the opportunity to play some basketball to try to recover some of those points. Let's see if he gets it, and a very nice shot from that human player. The Robo Warriors looks like they're going to be pushing a piece of algae of their own up into it. 2710 scoring up into the barge. Excellently done. They are back in action as this Blue Alliance continues to score. No defense in this match. It's all scoring. All 6 robots doing their best to continue to just rack up points. 2710 is back in action. They get a piece of algae up in there, but it barely falls back down. 5805 assembly required. Seeing that the blue side of the reef is full, are going to move over to the processor and try to score a piece of algae in there. It's going to be difficult for these human players to continue scoring with such a full barge. We only have 20 seconds left in the match, so let's see what happens here. 2710 off the ground with that excellent deep climb. It looks like 8060 is going to attempt a deep climb of their own. No other teams have moved towards the barge. It's still Coral scoring from all of our teams. 5805 and 2659 trying to get in some last second algae with just 2 seconds left. It looks like they've done it. Final score is up on the screen. Blue Alliance is going to take it with 5 ranking points. The Robodocs are going to continue to rock their way to